Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you all an important backend skill test project, that is the Habit Tracker project with the database connectivity of MongoDB. So first of all, I have edited the file in way I have removed the sample image given app image, how to design the app, how to design the view, because it was written that we can design in our own way. So first of all, I have implemented all those features that we can add multiple habits to track, like reading a book, going to the gym, and so on and so forth. Aerobics, even swimming. Many habits. As much habits as we want, we can track with it, and each and every day for the last 7 days. For last 7 days, including today, we can track the previous 6 days habit status. We can toggle them done, not done, and none. Okay, means nothing, no activity over there. I have been able to implement this, and also the view to show all the current habits. So the all the habits, list of all the habits have been able to show, and also the add button where you can add the new habit. Okay, and here we can see that 7 days and this functionality will handle in a separate page. And so previous days, also I can change the previous day status including today, but uh, not more. And we can create a default user and attach habits to that user, but not a necessity. The plus point, I had not used this because I had just use the default user share database. So from the database, anyone can use the database for multiple devices, and he only will be able to store only a single user. But for multiple users, some storage and some problem, person incompatibility I am unable to implement. But I have stored the data in the database MongoDB, and I have also keep track of the longest streak and the number of days the user completed habit for a particular week, not so long, because some problem is there while implementing. So I am now sharing the app with in this video. So first of all, uh, this is the link. Yeah. So habit tracking dot application dot on render dot com. So this we have added multiple habits, and if we want to enter one habit, new habit, like reading a book. So, okay, reading a book. So we can add that. First of all, it will take some time because it is connected to a database. Yeah, so it has been added successfully. And if we want to edit the name of this, suppose I want to capitalize, and I want to give a particular category, like reading a story book, or reading some coding books, coding books, coding book. Okay, so this is we can edit it, and it will be edited, but it will take some time, and it will just refresh, and automatically it has been. And on hovering over this, we can see that on clicking on this, we will be able to see the daily view, or yeah, daily view for this a bit, like cycling. I go to this, and by this is some kind of wrong message, because some visualization are added here of my own. So this I am crossing here, and I am clicking as done, and you can see that for this habit the longest streak is 0. Longest streak means continuous streak. Total days is also 0. Total done days for which user has done, and for total number of days also 0 till now, because it is untracked. And I'm giving like this. So 2 days here, 2 days here. Here is not done. Here is not tracked. So we will be able to see. So I am updating the status. It will take some time. Some time it will take. Yeah, so it has been updated. And if we now refresh even the page, nothing will change. You can see here. Seen? See. So done, not done, and this none. It was not tracked. So we will be able to see here, visualize very easily that this is 0, this is 1. And here we can see the longest streak is 3 days. Longest streak is 3, means consecutive 3 days. Total is 5. and total number of done days. So user has done this habit or is active in this habit is 5, and total number of days 7, because it will be shown as 7 only. And we can see uh, here that yeah, its value is 0, and here it must show 1, and here it must show 2. So like this the streak will be shown. Okay, so 5:30 a.m. so like this, because I had given this time, and here also same time it is taking. But if I change the timing, I think some effect maybe is showing over here. I can send for today. If I marking as 7 p.m. and I am updating the status, so I think it will take some time. After that it will update, and we'll be able to see now. So it's 5:30 is 2, and here 5:31, like that only it is showing here. So no problem, but streak is showing a particular day. Like here it is a 0, and here somewhere it is be 1, and it will be 2, and but here you can see it will be 3. It will become 3. Okay, because I had done at 3, I think. So this is all about that. And if we go back, this is all we can see when you go back. So, and delete optional, delete thing that I can delete easily. So if I want to delete, it will take some time and it will be automatically deleted. And if I now refresh even, we can see that it has been deleted. So this is all about this app. So thank you all. And also I'm going to share the code with you, because it is very important how I have approached the problem, right, my dear friends. So I am going to GitHub and sharing the code with you all, and presenting the code before you all, so that it is clear to you all how I have approached the problem. So we can see in the code section, these are the folders: controllers, models, and in CSS, public file of CSS, we have the basic design styling, and in models we have the basic habit model. Okay, and in controllers we have the habit controller, and in routes we have the habit routes. So if I go to the model, we'll be able to see here I have created the habit schema, and below that I had given the streak updation, and also calculate total days as well as the longest streak, and so on and so forth. And habit controller, if I go back to here, we'll be able to see that in habit controller, this particular thing we have done, we have control all the habits. Okay, like getting all the habits, and also get habit detail, and also all the other functions: create new habit, update habit status, and even also the update habit name. This thing we had handled, and also delete habit. This thing we handled in the habit controller. And in style.css, just basic design is there of the front end part or the UI part. And in habit routes, you can see that get all habits, these routes have been defined: get habit details, create a new habit, update habit name, also delete habit. And for last we exported. And in the server.js code, and before that we're coming to the views. Yeah, in the views there are particular three sections will be there: index.js, that is the main view. Okay, index.js, in the index.js we'll be able to see all the basic designs, like the design of the basic page that is shown to the user first of all when he or she logins. And after that we'll be able to see the habits if gets added here, and it is handled to the form action post method, and also the placeholder, and this input button, input submit button, and the text in enter habit name that is shown over here, handled by this. And in habit form, the user, after he adds a habit, that gets just rendered on the page using this. And habit detail just help us to change the daily view, and as well as view the daily view what is happening there. And I hope with this it will be a crystal clear. And I now come to the server.js. In the server.js, we'll be able to see, first of all, we have imported the important libraries that are needed, like Express, Mongoose, and also we have set the view engine at EJS, and after that we have search static files from the public directory, and also parse incoming request bodies using the URL encoded of Express, sub package of Express, sub module of Express, and after that I have used a MongoDB VSC part, that connection string to connect to the Mongoose, and after that I just defined the routes using the use function and connected to the, basically connect to the habit roots. After that I started listen and deployed is on render, and this is all, and I can show you all that this is the database of my cloud.mongodb. So this is the basic design, and here the data is stored, but I am unable to see. But before that I had used on MongoDB Compass, so I can show you all that I had input some other data, but it was there, habit tracker, and in habit tracker you will be able to see these two. So these were connected successfully, no problem. Had also connected. So this is all about this app. So with this I come to an end.